So we thought we'd try a different toy with the Bull Terriers. We've previously bought pretty expensive ones, to be honest, that have not lasted long at all. So this is a $10 toy from Kmart, rope knot. It's got a 5 rating of extreme chewer on it. $10 toy from Kmart. We're going to see how it goes with the bullies. Here we have Levi having a crack. We're about 2 weeks into the rope knot, and fair to say they love it. Is that your favourite? Rightio, so here we have the same rope knot after Winnie and Levi have been going at it for about a month. To be honest, I'm pretty impressed with it. We've lost one side of the rope knot out on the left-hand side there, so we had to get rid of that, and that one's not got that much more in it. But the actual ball part of it is still pretty good, and they've been having a good crack at it. So, to be honest, thumbs up for the $10 large rope knot from Kmart.